Hello everybody!
Welcome back to another episode of the KD Adventures. Now we've done a few videos in this series already discussing all the tips and tricks for your Walt Disney World vacation. But today we're going to be discussing the things that people don't know that much about.
And a lot of these I didn't know myself, so there we go.
Yeah, so I've been doing the research and I've come across some things that you can do. And we'll be discussing them today. So I found 8 different ones I'm going to be discussing with you today. So yeah, let's get straight on into it. Okay, so number 1, you can actually get a haircut at Walt Disney World.
Who knew?
Yeah.
You could have a magical haircut.
Yeah, so on Main Street at Magic Kingdom there is a barbershop called the Harmony Barbershop, and you can get your haircut there. Amazing. So it isn't that expensive either, so it's about $19 for an adult, $15 for a child. So
an average price really, isn't it?
Yeah, I pay more for my haircut.
You do actually.
You wouldn't tell. It's my hair grows really fast, so...
It does, and it doesn't his hair doesn't grow in length, it grows in thickness.
Just grows in thickness, so I'm due for a haircut soon. Not at Disney World, unfortunately.
I haven't cut my hair in a year.
I don't think you need to though.
I'm trying to let it grow.
Yeah.
Well.
But yeah, so the Harmony Barbershop at Magic Kingdom, open year round. So yeah, go check it out. You can also, if you ask for pixie dust, you can get sparkles in your hair.
Do you know if this is just for guys or is this for guys and girls?
I'm not too sure, you know.
With it being a barbershop?
I'm not sure. I think you'd be able to go. We'll try it when we next go.
We'll film this because I want some pixie ducks in my hair.
Yeah, it'd be really good. I think they specialise mainly in first haircuts as well. So if you've got a newborn and you're taking them to Disney World for the first time, definitely worth checking out. So yeah, the barbershop at Magic Kingdom.
So as well as the 4 different theme parks, Disney also have 2 water parks. And at Typhoon Lagoon, you can have surf lessons. What?
Amazing. So yeah, at Typhoon Lagoon, the jets in that wave pool are that intense that they actually offer surfing lessons early in the morning, so 6:30 AM till 9 AM. You can have surfing lessons at Typhoon Lagoon. What a good idea. I'm definitely thinking about doing that as well because I've never been surfing and I think this would be the perfect time to do it. It can be very popular, so book early. We'll leave a link down in the description below to where you can check out that and get booking. So yeah, we're going to look into that too.
Well, you are, because I can't swim.
Yeah.
I'll drown in 2 seconds.
So yeah, that's worth checking out at Typhoon Lagoon.
Yay!
Okay, so number 3 on this list is something very different that I never heard of. I didn't know this was a thing. Postcards are now outdated at Disney World because now you can send a coconut to your friends and family from Walt Disney World.
As in like an actual coconut?
I believe so.
Full of milk, like a coconut?
I don't know. I don't really know. All I know is you can send a coconut instead of a postcard to your friends and family.
I need to know more about
from Magic Kingdom. I think it's outside the shop outside Pirates of the Caribbean. You can send it, and also at the Caribbean Beach Resort you can send one, and at the Polynesian Resort.
Oh.
So if you're staying at one of those resorts, definitely look into doing that because that's very different.
A coconut.
Yeah. Where else in the world can you do this? Just send a coconut to someone. Like, I didn't know this was a thing until earlier today, so I'm going to be checking that out as well. So yeah, if you're not staying in one of the resorts, it's the shop outside Pirates of the Caribbean. So yeah. Check it out.
Okay, so number 4 on the list isn't actually that exciting.
No.
But not a lot of people know about this, and I think it's a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
So, believe it or not, Disney give out free water.
Not just free water, free ice water.
Free water at Disney.
Okay, so they do the fountains where you can get free water. But we're not talking about the fountains. You can actually, if you go up to one of the counter services and ask for a free cup of ice water, you can have a free cup of ice water. Or you can buy a $4 bottle of water.
Which will break your bank.
Yeah. because especially in that Florida heat, you're going to be drinking a lot of water.
And you really do.
So yeah, when you can get it free, get it free.
Especially if you're funny about the fountains, such as myself. Like,
Yeah.
I was a bit like,
Yeah, because
no.
obviously we're from the UK, and drinking water from different countries, it does worry me sometimes.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to get ill.
It's not just that. I mean, for me, it was more the fact, like, whose mouth has been around?
Yeah, it's water fountains. So, yeah.
And it's outside as well, so I was a bit like...
Yeah.
But.
So yeah, definitely ask for about free ice water at the counter services before buying that $4 bottle of water.
If Disney give you anything for free, even if you
Take
don't
it.
like it, just take it.
Just take it. Yeah, that might be a boring one for this list, but it's definitely...
It's a really handy fact.
Yeah.
It might save a life one day.
Yeah, and it'll save you a lot of money as well. So yeah, try that out next time you go.
Okay, so a lot of people go to Disney to celebrate something, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, engagement, etc, 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 etc. So, you can actually get yourself a celebration button.
So you can find these at any guest services across Walt Disney World, so either in the resorts or at the parks as well. So yeah, definitely pick one of those up, because if it's your birthday, you can sometimes get some free stuff, like a free cupcake.
Yeah.
So it's definitely worth trying.
Also, the cast members will go that extra mile to make your day super special as well.
Yeah, so yeah, definitely worth picking one of those up. Okay, so number 6 on the list, you can actually have a Star Wars tour over at Hollywood Studios. So if you're a Star Wars fan, like both of us, definitely check it out, because it's not just any tour, like it's a 7-hour long tour.
What?
Yeah. So you get taken to 2 shows, I believe, and you also have a ride on Star Tours, and you have a meal as well at one of the restaurants. And there might, I'm not too sure, but there might be something to do with Galaxy's Edge now included in there. I'm pretty sure there would be.
I can imagine so.
All these facts are from before Galaxy's Edge opened, so I'm sure that they've included that now. So yeah, if you're a Star Wars fan, check it out, because it'll be amazing.
How much would this be?
I don't know.
Ah.
Probably a bit, but
It might break your bank.
yeah. But if you like Star Wars, then it's worth it. If I find out what the price is, I'll put it down in the description down below. So yeah, check that out as well.
Okay, so this one I did not know about. Again, shock, probably like 3 of them now I haven't known about. But anyway, you can actually dine in an aquarium.
And dive. You can go scuba diving in it as well. So the seas with Nemo and friends, it has one of the largest saltwater tanks in the world.
Why did we not know about this? Because I love aquariums.
So yeah, you can have a meal in there. It's a table service restaurant, so it'll be a lovely meal. I really want to eat here.
I hope they don't serve fish.
So that's the Coral Reef restaurant over in Epcot. So yeah, you're surrounded by an aquarium, and you can also go diving in there as well, but you do have to have a scuba diving certificate to do that, I believe. So it's a 3-hour long experience, I think, for diving. I think you're only diving for 40 minutes.
Yeah,
so,
okay.
But I think overall it's about 3 hours long. Okay. So if you've got one of those scuba certificates, whatever that is,
put it to use, my darling.
Yes.
Treat yourselves. So the final thing on our list is actually Keys to the Kingdom. This is where you can go behind the scenes of Disney. Is that not everyone's dream?
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely mine.
Yeah. So if you love Disney World that much and you've seen it all, you've done every ride, and you want to see more, Keys to the Kingdom tour will take you behind the scenes of some of the rides, and you can also go underneath Magic Kingdom into those underground tunnels.
Could you imagine bubbling to your favourite character?
Or just walking around there. Oh, yeah.
Cheeky.
Yeah. Obviously this isn't for everyone. If you want to keep the magic a secret, but if you want to know all about Magic Kingdom and just do it, because I really want to do this.
I feel like it's just going to be a really good experience.
Yeah, it'd be an amazing experience. Yeah, so that's another tour to try on this list, and it'd be a great experience. So yeah, check that out as well. So there we have it, that was it for this video. Just 8 new things to try there at Walt Disney World throughout all the 4 parks and the water park as well. So some things I didn't know about until today.
Honestly, about half of these I had no idea about.
Yeah, I knew about the haircut one, and a little bit about the surfing one as well. But the other ones, I didn't know you could mail a coconut.
I knew about Keys to the Kingdom, just because our friend did that.
Yeah, he said it was really good. So we'll probably maybe try that out. We'll see. Yeah. All the money we save on water though, we can spend on Keys to the Kingdom.
$4 a bottle, guys.
Yeah, that's like.
It'd be about $16 a day.
Yeah,
realistically.
if you get quite a lot of water, especially in like the summer months, you're gonna go for a lot of water. So that's saving about $4 per bottle. Keys to the Kingdom ticket. That's what I'm gonna spend that extra money on.
I'm gonna sneeze again.
You always sneeze in a video. Is that your routine thing?
I think it's gone.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're feeling extra cheeky, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single thing.
You do not want to miss these videos. We're getting close to the holiday.
We're getting close to our Walt Disney World trip now.
I can't wait.
Super exciting. We've got a few more Disney tips and tricks coming up. We've got some Universal tips and tricks coming up next month. We've got some theme park trips coming up in the next few months as well, so stay tuned for those. The vlogs will be coming back finally. I can't wait. So yeah, you don't want to miss a thing. So yeah, ring that notification bell, subscribe
We're
button.
going to be so busy, guys. So busy.
Yes, I can't wait. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.